this next video is something that is probably crooked and something you've probably already seen on other channels. I seen this on that ever watch on, I don't know if he's on TikTok or YouTube. It's like F no. He's like F no way, no way. He's from Canada. He's from Alberta, somewhere out west. Anyway, I attribute this to you, and I know I seen this somewhere else, but you know what? I seen it, and I'm like, you know what? I got to see if this is true too. So, in a previous video, I bought this right here. Let me put this down a little here. This down. I bought this, and everybody knows about this feature, right? But never in my life did I have another set of jack stands are sitting under over there, and never did I notice this little tab here until I watched 2 videos, and I'm like, wait a minute, I just bought a brand new jack stand. So, you know, and apparently it says right on it, warning, bend this tab after inserting ratchet bar. See, right there. Bend this tab if you want to pause it and read it and get a reflection there. So, I'm going to see if it bends. I know it's going to bend, but I'm going to see how good it works. Of course, I need a hammer. Probably some kind of better punch than this would be good. Hammer time. Yeah, probably not a heavy enough hammer, but anyway, you all see this. Ooh, it pops out. Yeah. So let's avoid the hoo-ha and see what it does. Oh, I'm gonna chip the paint now. Yeah, chip the paint. I ruined it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Whee! Watch this. Who knew? A little tab holds it in. I'm pretty sure it's standard in every single jack stand on earth. But some of us are not exactly the smartest. But anyway, this is Torrent Ink, made in China. Made for big red jack stands. Why did I buy this jack? I'm going to do the other one too. Why did I buy the jack stand? Because it's for a big red. See? Big red jack stand. Got the little carrying handle. Woo. Or as some people like to call it, charging handle. Yeah, I'll be using these next week to jack up that stupid beast over there and fix it. So I know there's probably a million of you mechanics out there who all knew this is not a hack. It's just something that nobody ever notices. So I thought I'd make a video of it because, you know, like most videos, everyone else does it. So why can't I? With that said, thanks for watching my stupid little video, and have fun, play in your garage, and tinker with stuff and make stuff, because that's what keeps people happy. Thanks for watching.